Ejumadi Shonko ya Ghana ben dia bebati yehwe na enkwada na se mabunu a wonya adwuma nya afi wo nso wo ko school dum pempenso bi a bibinti wantumi anwie enam so ma adwuma ho nsem wa ye den no obetumi a cheche wo ma wo nsa no adwuma ho do mo sikabotini bi na wode efrase na se wo ko obono apoye mantem no emu atatiman hono me na ye wo no ekropon na wo mo apa ho ntoma ya ma ne boni Christian Oforikuma abu ansama no abre.
General Director ya wada Bono East ene hafo Ghana Entrepreneur Agency ano echiremu a isansa aban pese wote wo mu a enya adwuma yeso e wo mayimu nti ena sese World Bank aso wo mu asene a wode Ghana Job and Skill Project aba wode betete emabunu no e won sa no adwuma mu ensemtwerefo nhia mu ekoso ano wode e pass adwumadie wontoma e wo bono mantemu ene wo kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ de adwumadie no ebekɔ ene kwan obefa so atete emabunu no e won sa no adwuma emu.
A good program entrepreneurship and financial training. In Kaizen, you train your entrepreneurship, youth in school dropouts, and the woman starting. I bet my boy so omitima and yajuma. In the end, the crowd say you better support to 5,000 throughout Ghana, a competitive grant. To woman pass it through the basic, intermediate, advanced. You support them to start a case in the grant ad. They can use that to establish their businesses.
Michael Abiu a project consultant no NH Western sector eso ochire mu se we ye Ghana ban itirimupo ye betimi aboa pa ama baburu no enyansa no adwuma na afei aboa ama adwuma ye akoso e wo mayi emu.
Say ano no ye say ye training ni say ye build your more capacity ye church your money oma so mo ye ni omo go business dada no say na be ye betimi atrem ena no mu ni business no entity ye be ma omotimi aye dey start your more business. The whole idea is to create jobs and create jobs and create jobs. In the unemployment situation, we share them hona. Go for baby almost you maybe school so me nyejuma. Mitifie. Ye pese san ko fu we nyina be start ejuma.
The Krakra na pad momensa ya wono ene ye Bono East Regional Coordinating Director. Ya wo ko gina Bono East mantem ne swafo anemu kasa ye. Enso e de sansem we etudwa.
The training for the basic level now is successful. You go to the intermediary level. Now the intermediary level now is successful. You go to the advanced level. Honona, Abansika, which are $40 million for 5,000 youth in the country. Also, which man benefited.